Yeah, it is Caden's turn.
It's Caden's turn to get. It's Caden's turn to get.
Okay. I love how when he's kicking, he gets that little. Ready? Oh! Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? No, he's in a sink! Ah! He's got too much water in him. Here we go. Ready? Oh! You can kick. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Here.
It's Caden's turn.
Oh, okay, throw him. Throw him and then go get him. Oh! He won't go down. He keeps popping up. What happened? Boop.
Won't go down.
He's got too much air in him. You need a kick? Kick? Kick, 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 kick. There you go. Oh, 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 oh.